Hi there! Today we'll make salad with sprouts. If you don't like sprouts or granola food, this may not be your thing. I have rinsed my sprouts. I have avocados, basil, onion and roasted seeds. And we'll make an interesting dressing, which includes Molkosan. Hilma, can you spread the sprouts on the plate? I'll chop some onions in there. Basil leaves. Torsti, do you want to help? That should be enough. Good. Then the avocados. Do you remember how to take pieces?
No.
Like this. My kids love avocado. Half an avocado is a great snack in itself. Let's roast the seeds and mix the dressing while they cool. Take care not to burn the seeds and nuts when you're roasting them. When I get the first whiff of their aroma, I'll add some Herbamare salt. There we go. And now the dressing. We need olive oil and some Molkosan in lieu of white wine vinegar, some strong mustard, Dijon mustard, a few drops of lemon, and honey for sweetness, and ground black pepper. Drizzle over the salad and add the roasted nuts and seeds.